Multiple choice questions, class 11 commerce. Let us discuss some of the multiple choice questions. First question. What are the types of account as per traditional approach? What are the types of account as per traditional approach? What is your answer? Tell me, what is your answer? Yes, correct answer is personal account, real account and nominal account. Second, what are the types of account as per modern approach? What are the types of account as per modern approach? Yes, tell me, what is your answer? Yes, the correct answer is assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expense. These are the five accounts as per modern approach. What is the rule of personal account? Yes, tell me, what is the rule of personal account? Yes, the correct answer is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Fourth, Mr. Ram account is dash account. What is the answer? And fifth, Bank of Baroda account is dash account. So Mr. Ram account is a personal account and Bank of Baroda is also personal account. So in both the cases, answer would be personal account. 6. Cash withdrawn by owner from business for his personal use is debited to which account? For personal use. If owner withdraw money, then it is debited to drawing account. Yes, your answer is correct. It is debited to drawing account. Building is dash account and drawing is dash account. So building is asset and drawing is made by owner. So in seventh, answer would be real account. And in eighth, drawing is made by owner. So drawing would be personal. So in answer 7, real account will come. And in 8, personal account will come. Because building is asset. So it is real account. Number 9. Which one of the following is not personal account? So Sohan account is personal, modern school is personal, rent is not personal, outstanding expense is personal. 10 number, which one of the following is not real account? Sohan, Delhi Public School, rent and all the above. What is the answer? So in 9 number, rent account is not personal account. And in 10 number, all the above will come. 11. Real account is applicable to dash account. Options are 4. Natural person, business expense, liabilities, assets. So real account is applicable to, what would be answer? Yes, assets account. Real account is applicable to assets account. Next, prepaid expense is dash account and outstanding expense is dash account. So both these are the representative personal account. So what should be the answer? Prepaid expense is a personal account and outstanding expense is also a personal account. So answer of 12 and 13 would be personal account. 14. Purchase of machine is debited to dash account and purchase of goods is debited to dash account. In one case machine is purchased and in second case goods are purchased. So when we purchase machine, which account we debit? And when we purchase goods, which account we debit? Yes, the answer is machine purchase, machine account, goods purchase, purchase account. Debit all dash, credit all dash. Fill in the blank using nominal account. 16. Debit the dash and credit the dash. Fill in the blank using personal account. So in 15, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Whereas in 16, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So answer of 15 is all expenses and losses, all income and gains. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. 17. What is the rule of revenue account as per modern approach? 18. What is the rule of capital account as per modern approach? So revenue and capital. Which rule we apply as per the modern approach? So when both increase, we credit, and both decrease, we debit. So answer of 17 and 18, increase is credited and decrease is debited. 19, increase in business liability is dash. So answer should be credited. 20, decrease in assets of business is. Answer would be credited. 21, increase in business income is credited. So all the answers should be credited. Here 20 is misprinted. All the answers should be credited. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.